I know a lot of us like to ride with friends or ride in a group, but sometimes I like to ride just me and my motorcycle. This was a different kind of ride. This is a ride I got up in the morning and I wanted to go and just have no limits, no destination planned, and didn't really know where I was going and how long I would be. And I said, hey, I'll be home before it gets dark. And off I went. There really is something to that whole zen of the motorcycle. That oneness with the machine, that feeling of freedom. I find that the motorcycle gives me an opportunity to kind of close down my mind, just be in the moment. Allows me to explore some kind of strange, roadworthy meditation. It's a time when I can be present with myself, and I think that's what I like the most about it. I can stop when I want to stop, and I can go when I want to go. That feels better. But seriously, sometimes a ride like this ends up being something very, very personal. A way to kind of explore things that you are trying to deal with. And this was my day, and this was my ride. So I did some things that I wanted to do. I even went and visited my grandmother. I think a lot of us don't take the time to just be in our own mind, be in our own head, and try and find that zen by yourself. Trying to find that way of dealing with stress, that way of just allowing yourself to be present and to be in the moment. I would encourage all of you to find a way to do it, to take some time and spend it with yourself and your motorcycle. If you liked this video, hit the like button, and if you wouldn't mind, smash the subscribe button. And remember, ride motorcycles, eat ice cream, and I'll catch you on the next one.